welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to discuss a couple of online deals for you guys as promised. So I am really tempted to shop online. I don't know if I'm going to do so yet because I do have $20 in cash card. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of deals, and these are kind of like essential deals because it includes body wash, shampoo and conditioner and things like that. I didn't grab any makeup, but I did grab also some toothpaste. So I'm going to discuss a deal with you now. It's not going to be free because it's honestly really hard to shop online. We do have manufacturer coupons in our CVS app as well as CRTs. So that is all I'm working with. You can't use the manufacturer coupons from our inserts. So I think it's going to turn out to be a pretty good deal at the end. It's not going to be free, but I did pair everything together using the CRTs that I do have. And I came up with a pretty okay deal. And also this video is going to show you guys what CRTs are actually attaching to what deals. Okay, so the first deal I wanted to discuss is going to be on the Colgate Total Twin Packs. So they're on a promotion this week for buy one, get a $2 extra buck. Now online, there's not a lot of them available, but I'm going to show you the one that's available. And it's also pairing up with the $3 off teeth whitening kit CRT. I actually have two of those and it does attach to it. So let's look it up here. So you're going to go to the search. Basically, you sign in as regular. You sign in with your email, whatever the case may be. And then you basically send everything to your card. That's what I did because I'm not using any of my CRTs at the store. So I just basically send everything and see what kind of savings CVS.com is actually going to give me. So first thing we're going to look up is Colgate Total Twin Pack. And like I said, it's not the best deal, but I think it's an alright deal for what it is. Okay, so where it says choose options, they basically don't have it online. I'm just going to type in because I don't see the one that I actually added. I think it was it this one I added? I added one of them to my cart. So hopefully it's still available. Oh, actually, it's not. Everything in my basket's not there. Okay, so I have to reshop. So let's just put Colgate and see what happens. It's very difficult. I feel like things get off quickly, so they sell out quickly online. But we're just going to try this out together. And like I said, I am tempted to try to shop online. I don't know yet. I had like a great scenario. Hopefully everything is still there now. Let's see. It's going to be the twin pack. Okay, so it says out of stock online. This was the one that I actually picked up. Now we have to see if we find another one, and it has to say on it whitening because that's where the $3 coupon is going to attach. So let's see what we find. I had the perfect scenario. Now it's all gone. This is why I'm kind of like not feeling the whole online thing, but we're going to try together. So let's see what we find. They have this triple pack here, but it doesn't say whitening. It has to say whitening in order for it to work. Okay, so the items finally showed up on my basket again. It said that I signed out, so I signed back in. So let's see if I can get this Colgate deal to work. The one that I picked is out of stock right now. So let's see what happens if I pick something else. Where it says choose options, a lot of those don't have anything in stock. This one is in stock, but it's not attaching to any of the coupons that I have online, which sucks, but let's see what we find. $2.49. These are $3.49. It says whitening on it. Out of stock. Yeah, you see, it's very difficult, and then it kicks me out. I don't understand. It's very difficult to shop online, in my opinion, but we're going to try this together. Let's see what happens. And I probably will place an order to see what happens. I'm going to try adding this to my basket and see what actually attaches to it. Okay, I'm going to check my basket really quickly and then I'm going to come back to you guys. Okay, so here's my basket. This Colgate Total Toothpaste Clean Mint 4.8 ounce double pack is actually being included in the $3 in savings. So as you see here, you click on savings applied, the $3 off teeth whitening and the $3 off teeth whitening is applying to this purchase. So you basically pay 99 cents and you're gonna get back $2 in extra bucks. So the next item I'm gonna add to my list is going to be the Nivea men's body wash. Those are on a promotion this week for buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and we have a $1 off coupon in our app. So basically, I added this one here, I believe, for $5.99. And if you go to more details, it's not showing up here. I don't know what's going on with this, but basically we have a $1 off coupon, and I also have a 2 off of 6 body wash. So I picked up this for $5.99. You pay $4.99 and you get a $1 extra buck back for it. So it makes it $4.99. You get $2 back. It makes it $2.99 after extra bucks. And then for the Colgate Total Twin Pack, you pay 99 cents. You get $2 in extra bucks back. It becomes free plus a 101 moneymaker. Hopefully that one stays in my cart. So let's see what happens. And as you see here, look. I'm just going back and forth. Now it's showing 0 in basket. So I don't really know what's going on with this. So another item I'm going to grab because I have that 2 off of 6 body wash. It doesn't apply to the $5.99 because you need the penny online. So basically I just looked up body wash. Actually CVS body wash. And you do get free shipping if you guys have Care Pass. So basically I added this one right here to my basket, right? It's $1.99, so the $2 is going to come off of that, the 2 off of 6, because with the Nivea men's and the CVS body wash, you have enough to use that 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. Also, if you're a Care Pass member, you get 20% off of this brand right here. You get 20% off. So this actually becomes free plus a 28-cent moneymaker because the 20% off applies after everything. So it just took off 28 cents. Now the other deal I wanted to show you guys, I have a $5 off GSQ hair care as well as a 20% off. So I'm just going to look up some GSQ products, right? So we're going to look it up. And I went with the item that was $7.99. So you can choose from the heat protectant, or you can choose what I chose is a conditioner or something like that. It's going to be no, not this one either. The one I choose was the curl leave-in conditioner, I believe. Let me see if I find it. Curl conditioner. No, not that one either. It's this one right here. So the curl defining cream, 6.7 ounce, $7.99. So I added that to my cart as well. So basically you get $5 off and a 20% off is gonna apply. So with the $5 off, it becomes $2.99. The 20% off took off 45 cents. So the total for that is gonna be $2.54. Now the other item which is on promotion that I'm going to grab here is going to be the Suave Professional. So Suave Professional Hair Care this week, I spelled it wrong, but that's okay. They're going to be on a promotion for buy two, get a $3 extra buck. Online, they're $4.39 each. In store, they're 2 for $6. But we're not shopping in store, so we have to pay the $4.39 online. So again, buy two, get 3. You basically pick up 2 of them that say add to basket because those are the ones that are available. And it's going to be all the professionals. So it's going to be these here, and these here, up to here, I believe. And then there's some more on the bottom. So you pick and choose what you want to get. You can get a shampoo and conditioner. So buy 2, get 3. They're $4.39 times 2, so it's going to be $8.78. I have a $2 off 2 CRT. Nothing showing up on here. It usually says it on here, but I do have a $2 off 2 Suave Hair Care CRT. And it comes out to $6.78. Now, I do have a 3 off of 12 Hair Care CRT. So with the GSQ combined with the Suave Professional, it comes out to with the Suave Professional together, the total before coupons is going to be $16.77. The total after coupons, which is going to be the $5 off GSQ, as well as the $2 off Suave and the 20% off GSQ, it comes out to $9.32. I have that 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, making it $6.32, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So it works out to $3.32 for all of them, or $1.10 each, which is not bad at all due to the fact that we are shopping online without any manufacturer's coupons. Now the total for everything, my whole purchase, comes out to $12.01, and you're gonna get back $7 in extra bucks. So let's see if it goes to my cart and shows the items. Okay guys, so here goes my basket, and I'm gonna go over everything in my basket. Hopefully that twin pack does stay there for the Colgate, but that's something that is like getting sold online very quickly. So hopefully that stays there and I'm able to get that for free. So here goes the Nivea men's body wash. They're priced for $5.99. When you buy one this week, you get a $2 extra buck. So let's look at the savings. You're gonna go to savings applied right there. So the savings that were applied was the $1 off manufacturer coupon in the app, and then the 2 off of 6 body wash. This took off $1.43, and you're gonna see that the rest is gonna apply to the tropical moisturizing body wash, the CVS brand. So there goes that. So it's $3.56, and you get back a $2 extra buck, which is not bad. Okay, so here goes the GSQ curl defining cream. So it's charging me $1.78 for that. Let's look at all the savings. So we have that $5 off GSQ. We have the 3 off of 12 shampoo hair care CRT. So it took off 76 cents. So I guess it breaks it down on how many items you have for hair care on here. And then here goes the 20% off. So it says 20% off GSQ beauty tools and accessories like brushes and tweezers. So it took off 45 cents for that. And I guess it's counting as a beauty tool. I have no idea, but that is actually not a beauty tool. Okay, so here goes the Suave Professional, $2.27. Let's look at our savings. We have the 3 off of 12 shampoo, so there goes another $1.12 that came off of that. So it breaks it down into any items you have in the cart. And then we have that $2 off to Suave hair care. So it took off $1, applied $1, and I guess the other $1 will come off the next one. Okay, now we have that CVS brand body wash, $1.14 I'm paying for it. This actually becomes free because if you apply the whole 2 off of 6. But the 2 off of 6 body wash, 57 cents there, and then 20% off because it is part of the Care Pass items. So, because it's a CVS brand, you get 20% of all CVS brand. So that took off 28 cents. Now, as we scroll down, this is going to be our Suave Professional right here. This is our second one. So let's look at what applied. So another $1.12, and then there goes that other $1 for the $2 off to Suave hair care CRT. And last but not least, and hopefully it stays in my card, in my cart, is going to be this Colgate total. So let's look at the savings. $6 was saved here. So the $3 off teeth whitening are coming off of this. I have 2 of them on my card. So it took off a total of $6 there. And it makes it 99 cents, and I get back $2 in extra bucks. So if we look at subtotals right here, the subtotal is going to be $12.01. Right? And then my tax is going to be $1.05. So this will come out to $13.06. Free shipping right there. And we're going to get back $2 in extra bucks for the Nivea. So it shows you right here, $2 in extra bucks there, right? We're getting nothing back for the GSQ. Here goes the Suave Professional. We're going to get back $3 in extra bucks, and it does count towards beauty as well. I have to check my beauty bucks because I only need 1602, so I'm definitely going to hit beauty with this, hopefully, and I'll get another $3 in extra bucks. So there goes that. And then there's no extra buck deal for that body wash. And then if we go here, we see here counts towards that. So the 3 off of 2, so it applies to that, right? And then we have the toothpaste right here. It's supposed to be $2 back. I don't know why it's not showing up, but we'll see at the end. So you're supposed to get $2 back in extra bucks for this Colgate Total Twin Pack. So there goes everything. I'm gonna try to check out and see what happens. Okay guys, so here is the end result. This is everything that I ordered. So I ordered the Nivea Men's Body Wash, the GSQ Curl Defying Cream, Suave Shampoo, a Suave Conditioner, a CVS brand body wash, and I bought 2 Burt's Bees toothpaste kits toothpaste, and the $3 did apply to that. So the $3 off teeth whitening applied to it. So for both of them I paid $1.63, and they're buy one get one 50%. I mean buy one get one free this week, and they're each I forgot how much each of them were. So it came out to $1. They were each for both of them was $8.38. So $1.63 for everything you see here, which is not bad. So my subtotal was $12.65. I'm going to get back $5 in extra bucks. I get back $2 for the Nivea and $3 for the Suave Professional Shampoo and Conditioner. Now I only needed $16.01 to hit beauty. I have a total of $16.77 in beauty items. So that's going to be the GSQ Curl Defying Cream and the Suave Professional Shampoo and Conditioner. So that equaled out to $16.77. So I'll definitely get back a $3 beauty book, making it $8 in extra bucks that I will be getting back. So $12.65. I actually paid $12.73 because of the tax. So basically 12, and I had $1 extra buck, by the way. So a random $1 extra buck I had in my account. I just used it towards this. So $12.73 was my total, but subtotal is $12.65, and you get back $8 in extra bucks. So you're gonna pay $4.65 for all 7 products, or 66 cents each, which is not bad at all for an online deal. Okay guys, so I saved a total of $21.48. So that's going to be the $1 off manufacturer app coupon for the Nivea. There goes my 2 off of 6 body wash, my $5 off GSQ, my 3 off of 12 shampoo, the 20% off for the GSQ product, the $2 off 2 Suave hair care, 20% off for the body wash, the Tropical Moisturizing Body Wash CVS brand. So when you have Care Pass, you get 20% off. Hold on, let me just fix that really quickly before it falls. And then we have the Burt's Bees, a 75 cents off came off. The 2 $3 off coupon for teeth whitening came off of that, as well as a $1 off extra care buck that I had on my card that randomly showed up. So with all the CRTs and CVS app manufacturer coupons, so not bad at all. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and these are for the deals this week. Today is April 10th, so the deals end on the 12th. And let me know how it works out for you. If you guys have cash cards, you cannot use it online. You can only use those in store. So I paid the $12, but I'm gonna get back $8. And then next week, let's see if we come out with another online deal. And my expected delivery is going to be April 14th. So once I get the delivery, I'll show you guys what happens then. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.